Hi, this is Kevin Swihart retracting Tropical Hanna. Let's go to Bradley Swihart.
Hi, this is Bradley with the Weather Channel, and we are standing here in Virginia Beach waiting for the storm to approach. It is about 24 hours away. It's starting to get cloudy around here. No wind or rain or anything yet, but it looks like within the next 24 hours it'll be in the Hampton Roads area. They are expecting some wind. Residents in the area have begun just taking down some things from the outdoor furniture and here in this backyard, the tiki bar. They've been taking things off from there, but so far nothing here yet. But we will be expecting it in the next few hours, probably a little bit of rain and some wind, and then starting tomorrow we will be getting the tropical storm force. Right now we are under a tropical storm warning in the Hampton Roads area, and Virginia has declared a state of emergency, and we'll be back.
Thank you, Bradley.
We are still tracking Tropical Storm Hanna. We will be going back to Bradley and Virginia Beach.
Okay. Bradley Swihart here with the Weather Channel. We are now just starting to experience some of the rain from Tropical Storm Hanna. It has begun to, the outer bands of it hit landfall here in Hampton Roads. As you can see, it's starting to rain by the water hitting this pool, and already hasn't been really windy yet, but already some leaves are starting to fall. But within the next probably 23 hours or so, we will start to get the strongest parts of the tropical storm, and probably within a few hours tonight we will start to feel some of the rain, or some of the heavier rains and some heavier winds.
Hi, this is Ariana Steiner with the Weather Channel. Right now we're tracking down Hurricane Hanna, and we're going to go down to our Chief Meteorologist, Bradley Swihart, in the field where he's right in the middle of the action. Bradley, how's it going?
Bradley Swihart here with the Weather Channel. We are sitting here down at Virginia Beach, and we are starting to feel the breeze a little bit from Tropical Storm Hanna. The wind's picking up just a little bit, probably about 10-15 mile per hour gusts right now. Nothing really major yet. It was raining pretty hard earlier. It's not raining here yet. As you can see, there's a bunch of surfers out there. They're all crazy. The undertow is pretty strong, and it's just starting to get a little windy out here. You can see there's some level 6 surfing out here. It's pretty crazy, and pretty much the storm will be here sometime tomorrow afternoon, probably around 2 o'clock, and we'll start to feel the stronger winds and tropical storm, possibly even hurricane force later on.
Thanks, Bradley. Now let's see what Nathan Swihart, our other meteorologist, has to say about Hurricane Hanna.
Thanks, Ariana. Tropical Storm Hanna is closing in on the East Coast. The Hampton Roads area should start feeling the effects around 2 p.m. tomorrow. The storm is gaining power quickly, but not as quick as pop star Hannah Montana.
Of both worlds.
Ariana?
Stay tuned to the Weather Channel for more coverage on Tropical Storm Hanna.
Hi, this is Kevin Swihart retracting Tropical Hanna. Let's go to Bradley Swihart.
This is Bradley live in Virginia Beach tracking Tropical Storm Hanna. Right now we are starting to get the rain and the stronger winds. They're starting today. Probably within the next few hours we should be getting the strong winds, tropical storm force. Right now we're getting gusts probably up to 30-35 miles per hour. When it's not the gusts, it's just light winds, probably 15-20 miles per hour. The trees are blowing, the rain is coming down pretty good now, and we should start feeling the stronger effects within the next couple hours. Back to you at the station.
Thank you, Bradley. Tropical Storm Hanna has made landfall. Let's go live to Bradley Swihart.
This is Bradley Swihart, Weather Channel down here at the ocean. Tropical Storm Hanna. The wind is pretty strong out here. It's probably 40 miles per hour. The sand is very strong. It gets our legs and faces.
Thanks, Bradley. These are a few clips from the storm. This concludes tracking our Tropical Storm Hanna.
You get the best of both worlds. Mix it all together and you know that's the best of both worlds.